In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and taujsab.roich.wordpress.com. We'll walk through a simple workflow, using Google to get to wordpress.com, opening the editor, and inserting a WooCommerce shortcode using the shortcode block. I'll add tips along the way so everything feels smooth and predictable. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WordPress. You'll see a few results, including ads. Look for the official result that reads wordpress.com, everything you need to build your website. That's the hosted WordPress service where you manage sites with the block editor. Click that result. If you're not already signed in, log into your wordpress.com account to reach your dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the site you want to edit and open the editor for the page, post, or template where you want to place your WooCommerce content. Depending on your theme, you might be in the site editor or the post page editor. Either way, the block experience is the same. Inside the editor, look for the plus icon, the button you use to add blocks. You'll usually find it at the top left of the screen or in line when you hover in the canvas. Click the plus icon to open the block inserter. This is your library of content and layout blocks. In the block search field, start typing shortcode. As you type, the list will filter. Shortcode is a special block that lets you place shortcode snippets inside a block-based layout. Shortcodes are simple commands inside square brackets that tell WordPress to display dynamic content. WooCommerce uses them to show products, categories, and more without custom code. When you see the shortcode block in the results, click it to insert it into your page. You'll get a small field where you can paste or type your WooCommerce shortcode. For example, you might use a product's display shortcode to show featured items or a specific category. If you're not sure which shortcode you need, check WooCommerce's official documentation for the exact syntax and available attributes. After adding your shortcode, use the preview option to make sure it renders the way you expect on the front end. If it doesn't appear, confirm that WooCommerce is active on your site and that the shortcode is typed correctly, including the brackets. When everything looks good, save or publish your changes. That's it. Search, open WordPress.com, add the shortcode block, and place your WooCommerce shortcode. You now have a fast, reliable way to embed store content exactly where you want it.